Epoxy will change your life.
So we're at the warehouse where all good things lead to. All the best products in the world, all the best resin products in the world are all here, which eventually go to the store. This is like my candy shop. It's got everything I need, you need, and stuff you've never seen before. So, go check it out. Yeah, we got baby mammoths, we got genies, we got burnishers, fast cure epoxy, slow cure epoxy, moisture barriers, cast resins. I mean, I can go on forever. So yeah, I guess I'll show you my favorite material to use. And then we do the spit up walk. If you're wondering why your product is late, zoom in on this guy. No, I'm just playing. No, but they make sure everything.
Why your product comes out perfect and on time.
Right. You can zoom in on him, right? We take care of our shipments, as you see. Those other guys' shipments come busted. This that you never heard of before. This right here is that cast resin. Beep. I just dropped 300 kits of that on a small garage. Never done before. Floor 900 gallons on a 500 square foot garage, encapsulating a Yankee field in someone's house. Stupid money.
Hey,
This is
David
janitor.
David Thomas.
This is
What's
our
up?
janitor. He's on his way out. He probably got a few more months left.
After Willie.
Yeah, right. Look at that. This looks like a movie out of like an AI movie where the robots wake up one day. They're all sleeping here. So if you need a genie, don't worry, we have plenty. Whew. And if you need something bigger, because you got bigger jobs. 180, closing up on this mug. So yeah. This is my favorite product to use. Best product on the market. This is that gasolina, that gray A, pure Colombian. But yeah, that's the best product on the market, man. You can ask around. And all of this will be gone by the end of the day. It gets in here and it comes out of here the same day. In case you didn't know what it was, every color flake. If you need custom, you can holler. Call me directly. You get the custom flakes coming. What else do you need? Fast cure, slow cure, moisture barrier, cast resin, non-yellow resin, pre-pigmented resin, pigments. If you want merch, you got the hoodies. All right, here's the secret sauce right here, right? People ask me how I do my specialty floors and why they make them look fire. The fluorescent colors, the XPS fluorescents, next level stuff. Every color you need, we got every color, we got every diamond you need. Real diamonds. That's what I said. Hey, he's been for a minute, bro. Z. So power, man. Right. I'm working on something. It's like that, but it's the other way around. Yeah. LS. Let me see if it was like that. It's the LS. I'm working on it. It's not all the way there. No, these murals definitely help when people come into a space. They feel like, oh, these guys not playing around. Like this is a amazing space, and it's better than just having a white wall. You know, it's like all right, but having this here, it also gives this like feeling that you're in the right class that values creativity, that values putting that extra effort into making something look how it should. You know. And so this is supposed to be like the Caribbean side, you know, even though Latin America is not just the Caribbean, but we are in South Florida. So I did like Pirates of the Caribbean theme, right? And these were like Latin people that worked here that were like involved in a lot of the client. I'm missing some people. I'm missing Alvaro. I'm missing Camila.
Sure.
I'm missing, you know, a bunch of people actually. But just for the time that I had to do it, I just put Chris as the captain. I put Santi, you know, with the brush, with the red frames. This girl, Jeanette, she was Puerto Rican. She was like pretty much only Spanish speaking. And she's like, you know, first lady maid or whatever it's called. I put your boy as the front, because why not, you know? We take it to the next level over here. You know, we don't just have regular, nothing here is regular. Nothing here is regular.
I seen that boy whip now.
Yeah, nothing here is regular.
Oh yeah, you got the little crew. Didn't even notice them.
Oh, yeah, I'm not recording.
You, what do you do? Just chilling? No, we're
Just
We're the podcast.
Casual.
POV.
Wait, I gotta put this on the
we streaming now.
Justin, who never reshares anything that I tag.
Oh Lord. You tag me in? You didn't tag me in that. I didn't get no tag.
Every tag.
That's a great shot too.
Everyone's
no
a tag.
tags. No.
He's like the mysterious
I
guy.
don't-
Everyone's like, who did that floor? I'm like, yo, it's liquid solids. They're like, why isn't he collabed on it? I'm like, I don't know.
Oh, the collabs. Yeah, I don't collab. It's good energy. It's a good space to learn, to feel like welcome. Especially if you're trying to start new. You come into a place like this and you're just excited, and it keeps you excited. You know, it catches your attention, and you feel good to come to class. If you could spend $2,500 on a class, and sometimes it's just like a little warehouse somewhere, or just a job site, and you just kind of feel like, all right, well, I'm gonna learn, I guess, right here, and that's it. But over here, you come in here, you're happy to come in because the energy is good in here, the environment's good, the people are friendly, they're informative, and we have everything you need. You know, you don't have to go far. You get everything you could possibly need all in one place. I mean, all the way from polishing floors to metallic floors to sealing the metallic floors to flake floors, quartz floors, cove base, and then countertops. That's it. That's everything. What else do you want? You know? Sales team, the legendary Bill Waters, OG, the legendary Dr. Jimmy, OG, the man behind the curtain, Kevin, and you know, the class, the Professor Robert. This is fire. My favorite, it's actually one of my favorite walls in the place, even though everything else looks so cool, but the flag with the gold and the flame, disgusting. You get the details on the money that's burning, the little embers. This is all stuff I just kind of learned, freestyle. Like I never did anything like that before. We got the Times Square, so from one side of the states to the other side, we got all the way from Times Square, Pompano to Vegas. You know, just like I said, they love some Vegas over here. We got the Mammoth because that's what we sell. We have the Mammoth machine, so I had the big Mammoth busting out. You know, aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? They tried to do my beach, failed. Don't even show them that. That's not even a good, you know. That's not, I don't represent that one. But yeah, stop it, come on. It's actually one of my favorite glitters in the game because like, and green and yellow in the, ooh. This is kind of like what we're all about. Just wow. It's a wow. You know? Different designs. I'm sorry, you know who you are, Epoxy, who thought they invented this style of flake shapes, but these are years old. These are years old. Somebody watching this who thought they invented this style, but Mr. Robert had did this already. Jimmy did this 7-8 years ago already. Sorry. Yeah, these murals are game changing, like for space. You know? Yeah, man. Dream until your dreams come true. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Welcome to the Mecca of Epoxy. Yeah.